Hello guys, welcome to Civil Engineering channel. Here in this video I will show you the different types of structure and how can they analyze. Okay, so let us start the video. Here there are two types of structure. They are determinate structure and indeterminate structure. Okay, the indeterminate structure are also known as redundant structure. Okay, so let's explain one by one. Here first of all, determinate structure, it can be analyzed just by the use of basic equilibrium. Guys, I will show you what is basic equilibrium, and example are simply supported beam, cantilever beam, 3-hinge arc, etc. are the example of determinate structure. Okay, so let's see in the picture. This structure like this is simply supported beam, and this is 3-hinge arch. Okay, so this types of structure is known as determinate structure. Now the another structure is indeterminate or redundant structure, and it cannot be analyzed just by basic equilibrium. Guys, these types of structure cannot be analyzed same as the determinate structure. Okay, and example are fixed beam, fixed arch, multi storage frame, etc. Let us see in the picture. Here you can see in this picture these types of beam which have fixed support at 2 times or also unknown, there are more than 3 unknown reaction, is known as indeterminate structure, and these types of frame is also known as indeterminate structure. Okay guys, to analyze these types of structure, some other compatible condition of deformation are required to analyze structure. Okay, now let us move how these types of structure can be analyzed. Okay, these types of structure can be analyzed by only basic equilibrium. Okay, but these types of structure cannot be analyzed with the help of basic equilibrium. There are various steps, various method to determine to analyze the indeterminate structure. Let us see. You can see the basic equilibrium can be made by 3 equation, which is first equation is algebraic sum of vertical component of all forces are equal. It means that, for example, this is our beam and there are acting this vertical load, this vertical load, this vertical load, isn't it? And these all the sums should be how much? 0. Okay, so this is our first equation of the static equilibrium. And second equation is the algebraic sum of the horizontal component of all forces are 0. It means sigma h equals to 0. Same as the vertical force, it have also the horizontal force in the beam, and all the horizontal force, the algebraic sum of all horizontal force must be what? 0. And it also applicable in this arch. Okay, here this is the vertical, this is the vertical force, this is the vertical load, and all the load, all the sum of load should be how much? 0. And also here there is a horizontal load. It may be or it may not the horizontal load, but if there is given, then we should apply the horizontal force on the arch must be equal if the structure is determinate. Okay, but if the structure is indeterminate, then we cannot use the this formula, this basic equilibrium formula. Okay, and the third one equation is algebraic sum of moment of all forces either side of the section are equal to 0. Okay, and guys, this is very important equation. You can see if there is a beam, then the force, the sum of moment acting about any point in the beam. For example, I am taking moment about point here, then moment about this side and moment of this side must be what? 0 at any point at support. Generally it is taken at support. Okay, so the third equation of the basic equilibrium is the algebraic sum of moment of all forces either side of section are equals to 0. Okay, so there are 3 equation which make the basic equilibrium of statics. Okay, so 1, 2 and 3. Okay, now let us see how a indeterminate or redundant structure are analyzed. It can not be analyzed just by use of basic equilibrium. Okay guys, it needs some special method to analyze the structure. For example, there are various methods to analyze the structure. They are strain energy method, slope deflection method, moment distribution method, virtual work method, column analogy method, matrix method. There are also other methods to analyze this structure, but we only study these types of methods to analyze the indeterminate or redundant structure. But in general case, most of the case we can use these 4 methods to analyze the structure, and in further video I will explain these all method to analyze the indeterminate structure. Okay, so this much for today. Please like this video and subscribe my channel for new update of the civil engineering channel. Thank you.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and